Hey friends, I'm Penny, your science buddy. I explore tiny things and huge things. Got a question? We'll find the answer. Let's learn together. Ready? Let's go! Hello friends, welcome back. Oh, we got a new question. Eric asks, how do nails grow and why don't we feel when we cut them? Great question. Are you ready for a new adventure? Hold our pens, let's go! Wow, this is the nail. Up close, you can really see how smooth and strong it is. This area is the cuticle. Right under it is the nail matrix, the factory that makes new nail cells. This is where nail growth begins. Let's go see how it works. This is the nail matrix. It's like a factory under your nail. It makes new cells every day. New cells push the older ones forward. That's how your nail grows longer. Every pulse creates more nail material. Let's follow the nail cells and see how they move. As the new cells travel, they change shape. They become flatter and stronger. When they reach the nail plate, they're fully hardened. That's the part you see on top of your finger. So your nail grows because new cells keep pushing the older ones forward. Up here, the keratin cells are fully hardened, packed together like strong layers. This is the part you see every day. It's tough, smooth, and protects your fingertip. These hardened cells are dead, so there are no nerves in them to make us feel anything. That's why you don't feel pain when you cut your nails. The nail tip. The part we trim is made of dead keratin cells. No nerves, no blood, no feeling. The nerves are only in the skin underneath, so when you cut your nails, you're only cutting dead cells. See? Safe and painless. This little space under the nail is where germs like to hide. When nails grow too long, more germs collect here. When you touch your face or eat food, those germs can move into our body and cause us to get sick. That's why trimming your nails is important. Short nails make it harder for germs to hide. Clean nails keep you healthy. Nails don't just grow. They can show us how healthy we are. Pink nails means healthy blood flow. Pale yellow or blush nails can be signs of health issues like low nutrients, infections, or low oxygen levels. Your nails can tell important stories about your health. All right, friend, quiz time. What helps keep your nails clean and healthy? A, washing your hands, B, trimming your nails, or C, both A and B? Choose the best answer. Correct, both A and B. Washing your hands and trimming your nails keep germs away and help us stay clean and healthy. You're doing amazing, friend. Keep it going.
We learned how nails grow, why cutting them doesn't hurt, and why cleaning and trimming your nails keeps you healthy.
Hi, Peni!
We even saw how different nail colors can show signs of health issues. I think it's my turn to get a trim. Keep exploring, friend. See you next time.